a comparison of promotional effectiveness between TikTok and Facebook marketing for burger shops in Chaong, Quezon. This study focused on comparing the effectiveness of TikTok and Facebook as marketing platforms for burger shops in Chaong, Quezon. Using quantitative research and statistical analysis at the 0.05 level of significance, outcomes showed that the computed p-value 0.037 was less than 8 equals 0.05, indicating a significant difference in the perceived promotional effectiveness between TikTok and Facebook. Chapter 1: The Problem and its Background. Social media is now one of the most influential tools for business promotion worldwide. It allows brands to reach wide audiences, interact directly with customers, and enhance brand recognition and profit. In the Philippines, particularly in Nueva Ecija and Zamboanga City, based on Pronda et al. 2024 and Anastasio et al. 2021, social media has become vital for local and small to medium enterprises, helping them compete and stay visible in the digital marketplace. This study focuses on comparing TikTok and Facebook effectiveness as marketing platforms for burger shops in Chaong, Quezon. Statement of the problem. This study seeks to identify the comparative effectiveness of TikTok and Facebook marketing in advertising burger shops in Chaong, Quezon, along with the growing influence of social media on customer relationships and sales. It is essential to know which platform makes better marketing results for small food businesses. Precisely, this research will evaluate how these platforms impact customer reach, brand awareness, and increase in sales. Significance of the study. First, entrepreneurs. This study will help entrepreneurs understand which social media platform, TikTok or Facebook, is more effective for promoting their business, allowing them to choose the most suitable marketing strategy to attract customers. Second, consumers. The findings will give consumers better awareness of how social media promotions influence their purchasing decision and engagement with local businesses. Third, content marketers. This research will guide content marketers in developing more engaging and platform-appropriate promotional content to improve brand visibility and sales performance. Fourth, future researchers. This study can serve as a reference for future research on social media marketing effectiveness and inspire further studies focusing on other platforms or industries.
Chapter 2: Review of related literature and studies. Theme 1: Kinds of content that shops get the most engagement on Facebook and TikTok. According to the B et al. 2024, short-form videos and live-selling content on TikTok attract strong engagement because they allow real-time interaction and build trust with consumers. On the other hand, Cooper 2013 found that photo-based posts on Facebook gained the most reactions, comments, and shares, showing that both platforms rely on visually appealing content to capture audience attention. Theme 2: Sales performance from TikTok. According to Adsra and Irianti 2024, the success of advertising on TikTok depends on the promotional strategy and the number of the followers. As the larger audience can help boost sales. Likewise, Ariola Galay Limos et al. 2024 found that TikTok business content effectively improved sales performance, that allowing companies to promote their products creatively and engage a wide audience, especially among younger users. Theme 3: Sales performance from Facebook. According to the Elsa et al. 2022, Facebook advertisement significantly boosts businesses sales performance by reaching a wide audience, though competition on the platform is also high. Similarly, Chiachirini et al. 2021 explained that Facebook is a powerful marketing tool that allows companies to promote products and reach both local and international customers conveniently even without in-person selling.
Chapter 3, Methodology. Research Design. This study is a comparative quantitative research design to determine whether there is a significant difference in the promotional effectiveness between TikTok, Facebook marketing for a burger shop in Chaong, Quezon. This design allowed the researcher to compare the two platforms using measurable data to see which one is more effective in attracting customers. Respondent of the study. The respondents were 40 burger shop customers from Chaong, Quezon. They were selected through purposive sampling, meaning only those who actively use TikTok and Facebook were included in the study. These customers were chosen to provide insight into how online promotion influenced their purchasing decision. Research Instrument. The instrument will be a structured questionnaire used to measure the perceived promotional effectiveness of TikTok and Facebook advertising for burger shop in Chaong, Quezon. This questionnaire will make use of a 5-point Likert scale to obtain the respondent about the overall effectiveness of the two platforms. To ensure the questionnaires validity, the instrument was checked and validated by the research advisor. Data gathering. First, obtaining approval and orientation. The researcher will seek approval from the research advisor as well as from the customer of the selected burger shop in Chaong, Quezon. Respondent will be briefed about the study and asked to give their consent to participate. Second, classification of respondent. The respondent consisting of customer will be identified and asked preliminary questions to assess their familiarity and experience with TikTok and Facebook marketing strategy. Third, survey administration. A structured questionnaire using a 5-point Likert scale will administered to gather insight from the respondent regarding the effectiveness of TikTok and Facebook marketing and promoting products. Data encoding. The responses collected will be systematically organized and categorized based on the marketing platforms, TikTok or Facebook, to facilitate analysis. 5. Data validation. The complete questionnaire will be reviewed for completeness and consistency, and responses requiring clarification will follow up the respondents if possible before proceeding with statistical analysis.
Chapter 4. Presentation, Analysis, and Interpretation of Data. The table presents descriptive statistics for perceived promotional effectiveness on TikTok versus Facebook. The results show that TikTok has a slightly higher mean, 4.25, and SB equals 0.48, compared to Facebook mean equal 3.90 and SB 0.60. This indicates that TikTok promotions are generally perceived as more effective in capturing customer attention and interest. Next, assumption testing. Since both p-value are greater than 0.05, the data for TikTok and Facebook can be considered approximately normally distributed. Therefore, Wolf's independent sample t-test was employed to compare the mean effectiveness scores between the two platforms. Next, test of significant difference. At the 0.05 level of significance, the p-value obtained 0.037 is smaller than the threshold of 0.05, which indicates that there is a statistically significant difference in the perceived promotional effectiveness between TikTok and Facebook. This suggests that people perceive promotion on TikTok as more effective than those on Facebook. Additionally, the higher mean score for TikTok, 4.25, compared to Facebook, 3.90, further supports the conclusion that TikTok is regarded as more influential in shaping consumer behavior and attracting attention. The effect size of 0.65, which is considered a moderate effect, indicates that the difference in perceived promotional effectiveness is meaningful and not due to random chance.
Chapter 5. Summary of Findings, Conclusion, and Recommendations. Summary of Findings. Descriptive Result. In this study, M refers to the mean or the average score that shows the general level of effectiveness perceived by the respondents, while SD is standard for a standard deviation which measures how consistent or varied the responses are. Descriptive Result. The result shows that TikTok M equals 4.25, SD equals 0.48 has a slightly higher mean compared to Facebook. M equals 3.90, SD equals 0.60. This means that respondents perceive TikTok as more effective marketing platform for burger shops than Facebook. The smaller SD value indicate the most respondents gave similar ratings, showing consistent opinions. TikTok-based, engaging, and trend-driven content make it more appealing, especially among younger audiences, while Facebook static posts are less interactive. Normality Test. Based on the Charvio wheel test, the p-values for TikTok p equals 0.36 and Facebook p equals 0.41 are both greater than 0.05, which means the data are normally distributed. This confirms that the data are suitable for parametric testing, allowing the use of Welch t-test to compare the effectiveness of two platforms accurately. Test of significant difference. The Welch t-test shows a t-value of 1.84 and p-value of 0.037, which is less than 0.05. This indicates a significant difference between the promotional effectiveness of TikTok and Facebook. Since TikTok has a higher mean score, it can be concluded that TikTok is statistically more effective in promoting burger shops and capturing customer attention than Facebook. Next is conclusion. The study concludes that TikTok marketing is more effective than Facebook in promoting burger shops in Chaong, Quezon. Respondents find TikTok more engaging, influential, and capable of attracting customers due to its creative video content. However, Facebook still serves an important role in maintaining customers' relationship and community interactions. The result also shows that the choice of platform should depend on the target audience, TikTok for younger, trend-oriented users, and Facebook for a wider general audience. Next is recommendation. For content marketers, create short, engaging TikTok videos that follow trends and use popular hashtags to increase visibility. Regularly analyze engagement metrics from both platforms to improve for marketing strategies. For entrepreneurs, invest more in TikTok promotion while maintaining Facebook page for customer updates and feedback. Encourage user participation through challenges, giveaways, and creative posts to boost brand awareness. For future researcher, include other social media platforms such as Instagram or YouTube to broaden the comparison. Conduct similar studies in different business sectors to test TikTok remains more effectiveness across industries.